For millennia, Earth's climate was held in a delicate balance, a grand rhythmic cycle of carbon. Think of it as planetary breathing. Through photosynthesis, plants and ocean phytoplankton inhaled immense amounts of carbon dioxide. Through respiration and decay, life exhaled it, a near-perfect equilibrium. Carbon was stored in vast reservoirs. The atmosphere held a small, active portion. The oceans held 40 times more, a massive, swirling savings account. Life itself, forests, soils, and every living thing was another crucial stock. But the ultimate vault was deep underground, in rocks and fossil fuels, where carbon was locked away for millions of years. Then we found the key to that vault. We began to extract and burn that ancient carbon, taking it from the geological slow lane and injecting it directly into the atmospheric fast lane. Today, we add roughly 11 billion tons of carbon to the atmosphere every year. The planet's natural systems work frantically to absorb the excess. Our oceans and land act as heroic carbon sinks, pulling down over half of our emissions. But that leaves the rest to accumulate, tipping the climate balance. This has left us with a strict carbon budget, the total amount we can still emit to have a chance at staying below 1.5 degrees of warming. Based on our current annual emissions, that budget will be exhausted before the end of this decade. The clock is ticking, not just on our allowance, but on the very natural systems trying to save us.